How to recharge your coins balance on TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to recharge your coins balance on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. Once you are in your profile, click on those three lines up there. And now you have setting and privacy, click on it. Now you have balance, which is the option number 4 top there, and you're gonna find recharge coins balance. Click on it, and here you can recharge buy coins. So choose one of those, wherever you want. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.